Hey folks, Good Guy Glenn here, and today is Tuesday, April 9th, 2024. I'm in Hogansville, Georgia at the Loves. I stayed here last night. I shut down here during the eclipse. The eclipse that never really happened down in Alabama and Georgia, but that's fine. The real reason why I shut down here is because you can't drive into Atlanta after 4 o'clock. So there's traffic, there's no place to park, and my drop today, I'm picking up another one at the same drop, and I'm rolling out to South Carolina. It's currently raining out. It's terrible. But we gotta do what we gotta do. Coffee at the Loves is terrible. The machine was closed. It was all set and ready to go, but she wouldn't open it for me. And she said, you could drink this coffee. Like her attitude was terrible. But like, whatever. It is what it is. I've got coffee, so that's good. I've got some C4 in case I need it. I probably will today. And we're gonna run out today. We're gonna run it out. And everything's gonna be golden axe. So, Wilson's all buckled in and ready to go. And we're gonna hit it. I forgot to throw out my garbage this morning. Whatever, throw it out to next stop. The coffee's terrible. No, seriously, it's just not good. It's gonna be tight getting out of here. It's tight getting in here. We are taking a super big chance leaving out of here so early. If this is a live load that I'm driving into that's supposed to pick up at 08.
0.2 miles ahead, turn right on Georgia 54 East Main Street.
It could be getting us into some trouble. But I ain't driving into Georgia at 08.
Right
I mean,
East Main Street.
I'm not driving into Atlanta at 08.
Georgia 54 East Main Street.
See what I mean? 3 o'clock in the morning. Where are these people going? Nothing good happens at 3 o'clock in the morning, especially at the truck stop.
0.3 miles ahead, take ramp to I-85 North.
like just hauling along, going to Ohio or something, I wouldn't care because we would drive out of this. But I have to like take a whole bunch of roads. I don't know. It's just, this is something's going on with the truck too. It's driving odd. I could just be paranoid. This is tricky.
Turn left onto Georgia 17.
We are 2 miles away from the drop, but Copilot says we're 30 miles. It shows the drop where it's supposed to be, but it doesn't want to take us directly there. I don't know what the story is with that.
3 miles ahead, turn right on Georgia 70 North Fulton Industrial Boulevard Southwest.
It's funny.
In a quarter mile, turn left onto Georgia 70 South.
Alright, this is pure insanity. How am I... Oh my god. This is probably a good reason why Copilot didn't want us to go this way. This actually isn't that bad.
Continue on Georgia 70 South for 1 mile.
0.8 miles ahead, turn right on Trade Water Parkway Southwest, then turn right.
In a quarter mile, turn right.
Take ramp and then merge left on Westgate Parkway Southwest.
Look at all these Western Express trailers.
Take the next right,
Destination
then
is
turn
on the
left.
right.
Alright, well. We made it safely.
Turn right, then turn left.
Do not block drive, pull up onto the property.
Turn left.
So this is what I'm talking about with Copilot, right? We are here. And it doesn't think we're here. I don't know what's going on. We're gonna see.
Go west and then turn left.
Door 5, baby. We gotta drop at door 5. And we're picking up our loaded and we're out of here already. It is 536302. One of the infamous 5 trailers. This road is flooded and insane. This is insane rain today. I didn't know that this was coming. Once again, good guy Glenn was unprepared. When I checked the weather yesterday, it was supposed to rain overnight for a couple of hours. This is turning into a monsoon. Seriously, one of the worst cities ever. Nothing good ever happens when you go to Atlanta. Well, we're just gonna go slow because, you know, it's flooding. I don't know if you can see it on the camera. But we'll stop at Love's to use the CAT scale, and hopefully by then we're out of Atlanta and it's smooth sailing from there. Everything about driving in Atlanta sucks. I mean, that's on a good day. Now it's rush hour in the rain. I passed this idiot in the Genesis up ahead who's had his turn signal on for the last 20 miles in front of me. But got caught up in some traffic in the other lane and he passed. And now he's just driving with his turn signal on the whole way. I'm finally passing over to Decatur, but Decatur is just like Atlanta light. I have to get the heck out of this Atlanta metro area. .49 miles to the CAT scale. This rain is not letting up. Whatever, dude.
Take the first exit on the right onto
Exit
I-20.
46 feet I-20 east.
Better. Just want to be away from Atlanta. I just want to be away from Atlanta. Real question. How far out of Atlanta do you have to be to get out of Atlanta? I want you to think about the question I'm asking. How far out of Atlanta do I have to be out of Atlanta? Because technically, I'm in Conyers, Georgia. I'm outside Atlanta. But I'm still dealing with Atlanta idiots, Atlanta road patterns. I just want to be out of Atlanta already. This rain is not letting up this morning. It is what it is. Driving in the rain is part of the job, but Atlanta, rain, and rush hour just equal aggravation. I should make a shirt that says that. 34 miles to the Loves where we're gonna hit the Catskill. If this is a live unload for tomorrow and I can't get this unloaded today, I got 281 miles. I'll drive this out some. And then I can shut down whenever I want and get out of this weather. Yeah, I don't know what this cat is doing. He's got his high beams on. His speed is all over the place. Oh boy. It's always something. The local plumber messing things up. Truck stop deja vu. When was I here?
Your destination is on the right.
Let's autos. I just need to scale.
0.3 miles ahead, turn right on Lions Club Road.
I don't think I've ever been here. Oh no, I have been here.
1.4 miles ahead, turn right on US 129 South Edenton Road.
Oh, there's the scales, there's the scales, there's the scales. This truck is not running right, dude. It's like searching for
Turn
gears.
left, then turn left.
Old good guy Glenn might have to put in a request for a new truck. What are you doing, guy? That's it. Just gonna take your break right there, huh? No problem, dude. And they wonder why they don't want us at
0.2 miles
Buc-ee's.
ahead, turn left on Amtico Road.
Alright, dude, you just gotta stop with your nonsense. We're scaling. A little bit more, good guy Glenn. A little bit more, a little bit more, a little bit more. Here we go. So, we stopped to scale. We took our break. And now, Thomas is calling me. Well, so this happened. Wow. Blown ski-woo. Look at this heap. This is one of those 5 trailers. Five 3 302. So I put in a DVIR, we'll see what happens. Still no answer yet. It's within business hours. We should be able to get roadside out here, change the tire, 1, 2, 3. I don't drop today anyway. They only do unloads from 05 to 1100. So I was hoping to get to the Pilot down the road, get a shower, but hey, if I gotta stay here, I gotta stay here. This is a nice rest area. I am further away from the drop than I'd like to be. But we'll see what happens. like I said, we'll wait for them to give me a call, and then they got to get someone out here. See how long it takes. So that was Dante. He was awesome. He got that done in like 10 minutes. And now we are going to see where we're gonna go from here. I'm gonna close out this DVIR because it's repaired, and we're going to go down the road a piece, and it's only noon, so I could drive out some more and get somewhere good so we can maybe get a shower today. Let's do it. Got called into the weigh station. Good thing we got that tire fixed. Now we're just gonna bypass.
Bear left. Weigh station ahead. That's cool.
Point 3 miles ahead, straight on ramp to I-20 East Carl Sanders Highway.
Colonel Sanders Highway? Look at this guy, Mersk, flying out of here. Flying out of here.
Straight on ramp to I-20 East Carl Sanders Highway.
We're still gonna try to make it to that Flying J. Get there around
Enter highway
2:30.
onto
Hopefully get a spot. It's a small Flying J. We're taking a risk.
70.8 miles ahead, take exit 58 to US 1 North Augusta Road.
Oh, got a bear. Overcast still. At least it's not pouring rain. This goosenecker is towing trailers. He's just like flying in the left lane over here. Those things look like they're secure. One little Home Depot strap on each trailer, on each side. Yeah, no, that'll get it done. Decided not to follow Rand McNally down side roads because today, for some reason, Copilot's keeping me on the interstate, and I like that. So we'll stay on the interstate. We may go to the truck stop that we're heading for. It's 106 miles away, or we may find something a bit closer and shut down. See what happens. Yeah, man. Like I said, we can't deliver till tomorrow. I don't even know, like, so 05 to 11, but my appointment time is at 8. I don't know how strict they're going to be about that. show up there and just test it out? That might be the move. I'm gonna see if I can get a pre-plan when we stop. So tomorrow, after we get rid of this, we can go do something else. Try to save this week. It's gonna be Wednesday tomorrow, and we don't even have 1,000 miles yet. Oh, the battery's dead already in the dash camera. Well, we're here at Love's in Orangeburg, South Carolina. We're about 54 miles from the drop. It's actually not a drop, it's a live unload tomorrow, 08. They allegedly start at 05. I'm gonna see if I could get in there early. But I'm gonna shower here tonight. I haven't showered in days. I got a decent spot. I'm hoping that I can't get blocked in here. I got the repair shop across the way, so no one can really park in front of those bays. So I might be able to swing out that way to get out. Now, if you go that way, that's the fuel pumps. But I'm not opposed to going that way either. So I'm gonna go inside and see what goes on in here, see if there's any trinkets I can get for Angelina's trinket box, because it's South Carolina and I don't have anything for her trinket box yet at South Carolina. And then we're going to take a shower. Got a long night here, man. It is only, oh my Lord, it's only 14:22, 2:22 p.m. and I don't drop until tomorrow at 8 o'clock in the morning. So not so bad. I'm tired. We'll get it done. Well, it's the end of the evening. It's time for me to go to bed. I've been dealing with a lot of anxiety lately with the job. Sometimes I really feel like Western Express just sets you up for failure. You know, you get very little information and you go to these places and these shippers and receivers treat you like garbage. And they ask you questions you can't answer because your company didn't give you the material you need. They don't give you the proper pickup numbers. The numbers are wrong. The shipper and receiver just thinks that you must be like a magician, that you guessed that you have a load going to, like, say, Cleveland, Ohio, you know? And you have a trailer number or you have a BOL, but you don't have your pickup. Well, if I have the BOL and I know the trailer number, you know, like, would I guess that? And like tomorrow I'm supposed to deliver to this spot, and I was reading the reviews on Google and it's just not looking good. And I'm just stressed because I don't know what to do. The lot isn't very big. My appointment time is supposed to be at 8. They open at 5. I'm reading that they only service their Pepsi trucks at 5. Then I hear people saying that they get in the door, and then I hear people saying that there's limited parking, so you got to get there early. And I just don't, like, I'm tired. I'm tired. I know that this is the job. I envy the dedicated guys, the guys who are going to the same locations, dealing with the same people, and they know the same routine, you know. And some people think that's boring, but it's not boring to have a routine. This guesswork, it's just not cool. I just want to go drop this thing and be on my way. I keep trying to start off the week positive. I keep trying to, like, go into it, like, with this, like, rah-rah attitude. You know what I mean? But, like, then the last couple of weeks have just beat me down, dude. Like, there's not a lot of miles, and I'm just not making a whole lot of money, and things keep coming up. Like, now my son needs braces. I don't know. I don't know. I guess I'll figure it out. That's like what I always do. I figure it out, and it gets done. Tomorrow, I'll go. I guess I'll get up at 3 o'clock, do my pre-trip, and just drive down there and see what happens. I'm 50 miles away. So if I leave at 4 in the morning, I should be there by 5. And I'll see what happens. You know, I'll just drive in there and see what happens. That's all I can do. And you never know, man. It might, like, I might get there and it might be all right. It might be all right. I just noticed, though, I don't know if one thing has to do with the other, but ever since this whole entire Francis Key Bridge thing in Baltimore, freight really took a dive. I don't know, it might just be a coincidence. But I'm just not getting the miles I was getting. And right before this started happening, I was getting like really good miles and I was doing really well and I was pretty stoked. I just can't help but think sometimes that, I don't know, you don't even know. Like, I think crazy stuff sometimes. Sometimes I think, whatever. Tired. I'm just gonna go to bed. I didn't sleep well last night. I should sleep decent tonight. And then, like I said, tomorrow's another day. So, make sure you love your family. Say your prayers. Love your God. Right? Do your pre-trip. Take your vitamins. Drink plenty of water. Eat a yogurt and a banana every day. Like this video and hit the subscribe button and hit the bell so when I drop another video you get a notification. Once again, this is Good Guy Glenn. Thanks for watching.